(2017) AP Statistics Free Response Questions. Number 1. Researchers studying a pack of gray wolves in North America collected data on the length x in meters from nose to tip of tail and the weight y in kilograms of the wolves. A scatter plot of weight versus length revealed a relationship between the two variables described as positive, linear, and strong.
Part A. For the situation described above, explain what is meant by each of the following words: positive, linear, and strong.
Part 1. Positive. The correlation value, R, is close to positive 1. Part 2. Linear. As the length, x, increases in meters, the weight, y, in kilograms increases. The R value is positive as well. Part 3. Strong. As the length, x, in meters increases by 1 unit, the weight, y, increases at a constant rate. The residual plot has no pattern.
Data collected from the wolves were used to create the least squares equation. Y hat equals negative 16.46 plus 35.02 times x. Part B. Interpret the meaning of the slope of the least squares regression line in context. As the length of the wolves increases by 1 meter, the weight of the wolves also increases by 35.02 kilograms.
Part C. One wolf in the pack with a length of 1.4 meters has a residual of negative 9.67 kilograms. What was the weight of the wolf? To solve this problem, we will take the equation y hat equals negative 16.46 plus 35.02 times x, and you will plug in 1.4, the length of the wolf in part C, for x. You should get an answer of 32.568 kilograms.
Give me a D!
D!
A-N-I-E-L! Give me a B!
B!
E-R-N-O-U-L-L-I! Daniel Bernoulli, born in 1700 and he died in 1782. He lived for 82 years. General background of Daniel Bernoulli's upbringing. Born in the city of Groningen in the Netherlands on February 8, 1700. His parents were Johann Bernoulli and Dorothea Faulkner. His mother was from a wealthy family, and his father was a well-known doctor and a well-known mathematician. His father's accomplishments were considered so great that he is often considered the Archimedes of his age.
Daniel also had 2 older brothers who excelled in the math field. They both influenced his drive to succeed in the field of mathematics. His family relocated to Basel, Switzerland at the age of 5. He attended the University of Basel. Daniel Bernoulli graduated as a doctor of medicine in 1721, at the age of 21, with a thesis on respiration. He enjoyed spending time at the opera, theater, and in balls in Italy.
How Daniel Bernoulli got into math. He belonged to a family of distinguished mathematicians who later immigrated to Basel, Switzerland. During his schooling, he was discouraged from studying mathematics by his father, who pushed him to study business. However, Bernoulli wanted to study math, but ultimately gave in to his father's wishes and studied business. Later, his father wished for him to study medicine, and Daniel agreed to this only under the condition that his father would tutor him privately in mathematics.
Contributions of Daniel Bernoulli. The kinetic theory of gases states that matter is made up of small, moving particles. Measurement of risk is defined as using the geometric mean of data to assess risk, how to minimize risk, and situations in which risk is best avoided altogether. Additionally, Daniel Bernoulli defined the efficiency of vaccines, which used statistics to prove the efficiency of the smallpox vaccine. Finally, he contributed to the probability theory, which is a branch of mathematics associated with random phenomena.
How it relates to what we learned this year. The probability theory works with random distributions and the probability of unknown events. The probability theory has developed the base of first-level statistics as a class, which was our class this year. It is defined as the theory of analyzing and making statements concerning the probability of the occurrence of uncertain events.